Now the vacuum. Blue Oriental rug, it's one of the most difficult to be clean. The navy blue is a combination of blue and black. To make them strong in the fiber, they over dyed. So it's easy to run to the white. We at PetPeePee develop a cleaning process that's guaranteed in writing. The color will never run, and we will remove all the urine odor, most likely even the stain, guarantee in writing. So how my cleaning process progress? Let me explain. The organic cleaning product from the Dead Sea flood the rug gently. And what it's coming from the bottom? All the pee-pee, all the shit, all the cleaning product the customer used. All of them show me in the bottle, in the tube, show me what's coming from the rug. So I changed the cleaning product. Now it have to be a different cleaning product. And the cleaning product washed the rug again. Wash the rug with attention, then the color will never run. Very important. Because we never use a scrubber or squeezy, and we never touch the rug in the wet cleaning product, we guarantee the nap of the rug will be preserved as a brand new. And we can see how the pee-pee, the dirt, the cleaning product the customer use, all of them washed out through the fiber. We develop a cleaning process that's wash the fiber from the top all the way to the bottom. And everything's, then it's in the rug. Wash out and go to the tube. The tube show me how much pee-pee the dog left in the rug. Some cases it's even darker than what you see right now. PetPeePee. We complete the cleaning process when the tube is clear. Then we know your rug, it's perfectly clean, and I know I'm going to receive 5-star review on Google. Please visit PetPeePee Google reviews and see for yourself what customers said about our cleaning process. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Please stay tuned and see how to fold the rug the right way for shipping. PetPeePee, we are nationwide to serve you the right way, only if you love your Oriental rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Hooray, hooray.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.